Hello and greetings everybody. My name is Pilemon Vinci anak mini, matrix number 65169. In today's video, I will show you how to do the solution for tutorial 11 for Radix for decimation in frequency FFT. So, these are the question for tutorial. Let's start with question 1. So, question 1, the answer is simple. The butterfly of Radix 4 consists of 4 inputs and 4 outputs. So, for question 2, it is given that the discrete time signal x of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Find x of k using Radix 4 DIF butterfly diagram method. So, first of all, we need to draw the DIF butterfly diagram using this, as you can see. And on the input side, we arrange it to x0, x2, x1, and x3. If you wonder how this were arranged, we using the bit reversal. As we know, 4 is equal to 2 power of 2. So this number 0, 1, 2, 3 can be represented in 2 bit. So as we know, 0 is 0 is 0 0, 1 is 0 1, 2 and equal to 1 0 and 3 is 1 1. Then we perform the bit reversal. So for 0 0, it will stay the same. 0 0 0 1 will become 1 0, which is 2. 1 0 is 0 1, which is 1. 1 1 equal to 1 1, which is still the same, which is 3. So as we know, n equal to 4, and to calculate this, we need to follow the flow graph. So the first one is, as we can see, 0 plus by 2 times 1 equal to 2. This one, 0 plus 2 times negative 1 equal to negative 2. For x of 1, 1 plus 3 equal to 4. And for x3, 1 plus 3 times negative 1 equal to negative 2. So the second part, for this, 2 plus 4 equal to 6, and negative 2 plus negative 2 times negative j equal to negative 2 plus 2j, and this part, 2 plus 4 times negative 1 equal to negative 2, and negative 2 plus negative 2 times negative j equal to negative 2, negative 2j. So, in conclusion, the answer for x of k is equal to 6, negative 2 plus 2j, negative 2, and negative 2, negative 2j. For question 3, Find the 4-point DFT of xn equal to 44, 22, 33, and 22 by using DIF FFT. So first of all, we need to draw the butterfly diagram, just like this. And we arrange the input of the left side, where x0 equal to 44, x1 equal to 22, x2 equal to 33, and x3 equal to 22. Before we get started, I need to mention this, where W40 equal to 1 and W4 to 1 equal to negative j. This one we need to remember. So let's get started. First one, 44 plus 33 equal to 77. 22 plus 22 equal to 44. 44 plus 33 times negative 1 equal to 11. And 22 plus 22 times negative 1 equal to 0. So let's moving to the second part. 77 plus 44 equal to 121. 77 plus 44 times negative 1 equal to 33. And 11 plus 0 equal to 11. And lastly, 11 plus 0 times negative 1 equal to 11. So, as a result, x of 0 equal to 121, x of 2 equal to 33, and x of 1 equal to 11, and x of 3 also equal to 11. This can be arranged by using the bit reversal as I mentioned earlier in the last question. So our answer for x of k equal to 121, 33, 11, and 11. That's all for me. Thank you.